Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys. This one will be the generation from 2002 to 2010, also known as first generation. If you're guys trying to find the fuse for your sound, audio amplifier, the one especially with the premium sound system, stay with us guys and we'll show you where that fuse is located, the one for the amp. Now, all the tools and parts guys that we use in our videos are listed in the description of the video below. Check them out, we get them for amazing price. Also, we will be making more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. We have that Porsche now guys, 2006 model, and all the mechanical videos could be found on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Check out both channels guys, we're constantly adding videos. Now, we need to go to the passenger side. Passenger side, and let me show you now. We need to find, if you have the radio, doesn't matter which radio you have, whether it's this one or the one with the big screen, but you have the Bose system. You need to open that cover here, pull it out. You have 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we need to find fuse number 12, which is a 30 amp fuse. Fuse number 12, it's the one before the last one. This one right here. This is the one for your amp. So we'll replace this one. With a new one. Perfect. And put it together now. So don't forget to put your cover on. That's important. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.